How to log out of the Gate application on your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to safely log out or sign out of the Gate.io application or the Gate application on your smartphone, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the Gate application on your smartphone and make sure that you are inside the main home page. Go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. And on the next page, click on your user ID at the top of the screen or your username at the top, and you'll end up in this profile section. Go to the bottom and you'll see a logout button in red. Tap on that, and in the pop-up, click on Logout to confirm. Once you do that, you'll be logged out of your Gate application on your smartphone. If you're logged in on a public or shared device, always make sure to log out completely and avoid saving passwords automatically. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials to follow like this. Goodbye and thanks for watching.